How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do a little time just playing around on the old tractor here in the yard. Before we get started though, we're gonna do a little bit of greasing, and I'll give you guys like a little bit of a on top of my head tour of what's going on. I got a nice mount for on top of my hat. I'll put you guys up there so you can kind of watch along, but let's go grab that old grease gun and we'll get this Mahindra greased up for the 10-hour routine greasing that I do. Stick around and we'll see some tractor fun right after this. All right, it's time to do the 10-hour greasing. Every 10 hours I check and lubricate all of the different points on the tractor here. We go over every point in a little bit more in detail if you look at the routine maintenance video I made. But we're gonna go ahead and here, what I always do is I go around and clean off all the grease zerts first before we start putting more dirt back in there. Just kind of wipe them off to get all the excess dirt off. Got it in there. You can see down here in the loader it collects quite a bit of dirt, so you want to get that cleaned out of there for you. So you'll put it down in the joint. They're all cleaned off here. Guess I got one more up under here I didn't check. Grab our grease gun here. Got that Lock N Lube fitting on here. Works like a dream. Let's go over here and we'll lock her on and give her a few pumps. See her getting down in there, looks good. See how nice this Lock N Lube works. It really does a good job. Makes this really quick. So you can see how quickly I get through all my fittings here. Alright, something else I do, WD-40 Specialist. It's a spray gel lubricant. It stays in place and it doesn't get everywhere. Prevents rust for up to 1 year, it says. So I do it every 10 hours. So basically what I do is I spray it on these different joints like in here. Down here on the, on some of the areas that I use. I spray them on there and then I'll come back and I'll work them around a little bit. Same thing up here on the on the quick attach. I do the same thing. I kind of just spray her down a little bit to help keep some of the stuff that doesn't get regular greasing in working order. But when it dries, it really doesn't attract anything here. Spray it on, and I kind of work some of this stuff back and forth. I'll work the top link back just to get some of that lubrication down in there. It moves much more free when you do this. Obviously, if you've got a hydraulic top link, bless your soul, you got lucky. But these things are nightmare. Not really a nightmare, just take a little bit more work when you're adjusting things. But you can see how freely that moves now. After putting a little bit of lubrication on there. Like I said, when it dries, it doesn't really attract much dirt. It will a little bit, but here again, you're gonna get dirt on there anyways. Same thing down here. I run this up and down, get that jam nut. All right, we're ready for another 10 hours.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of K6 Outdoors.
and had some fun with me on this tractor therapy we went through. I know a lot of you that are watching this may have these compact tractors yourself, and I know personally there's nothing better than spending an afternoon on a tractor. Sounds kind of corny, but it's true. You can sit out here in the outdoors in the sun with just your thoughts and play on some heavy equipment, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. So like usual, if you have any comments on it, put them down here below in the comment box. Leave me any feedback. Let me know how your day is going. I like to hear feedback from all you viewers and what's going on in your life. If there's anything you would like to see me do different in the channel, put that down here below too. It's good to hear back from you and what we can do to make the channel better. If this episode was good, give me that thumbs up. It helps to promote the channel here and get some more viewership. And as always, if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and you might as well hit that little bell while you're at it. It lets you know when I upload more videos like this, so you can stay in the loop with everybody else. So until next time, everybody stay safe out there. Take care of yourself during this crazy pandemic that we're going through now, and hopefully we can get back to normal life in the future. Until next time, I'll see ya.